Good morning. I wanted to talk about today about why I am genuinely happy. And I'm not always happy, but I know I'm the happiest because of certain things. And one of those things is um, my gratitude for being where I am. I believe nature has played a big role in my happiness, and that is, it shows in how I feel and why I smile and love life so much. My name's Natasha. I live in Panama, and my channel is Panama Live Good on a Farm. I moved here 5 years ago, a little over 5 years ago, and from the United States, and knew nothing about farming, didn't know much about what to do, how to grow, why would I want it. But I realized that what I had in the States was not making me happy. I had a wonderful lifestyle there, though. I had my own business. I still have my own business. I could afford the things that I wanted. I lived a good lifestyle. But something was missing. And I realized that it was a connection to the outdoors, to nature. So I know I could have been in nature there in the United States, but there was something magical about when I came here. I love to travel, and I had been traveling to different countries here and there for the last 10, 15 years. And when I stumbled on Panama, I just felt a connection to the outdoors, the lifestyle, and not when I mean lifestyle, I mean actual life, like um, like where I am. I'm in a rural farm, and I'm surrounded by um, life that I never would have appreciated before. Um, Now, don't get me wrong. I genuinely appreciate human beings and all animals, but I never I never knew how much they would affect me. Like, I didn't appreciate the the bird that I saw, or the flower that was growing, or the tree that gives me oxygen. And that is exactly what I have here. And that's what has been making me so happy. I grow my own food, and I appreciate that so much more than the other things that I had living in the States. Uh, I realized that it's not about the house, the cars, the clothes. That's not me. I basically am so thankful for the trees, the birds, the animals, I mean, even the reptiles. Living here, I have seen so many colorful animals and reptiles that I just couldn't imagine. And before, if I saw a snake, I'd be scared. But now I don't see that. I see the beauty in it. I see the colors, I see the textures, and I see, gosh, I'm living here with it. It's like I'm connected to it. And I'm so appreciative of being able to live amongst all the nature. So I'm glad I can get out every day and be in it. And where I am, the weather is very mild. It's like 70 to 75 degrees. I live, like I said, rural, somewhat in the mountains. So I get the sun, but I also get the breeze. Um, but that's what was missing. And I'm not always happy. Sometimes I'm lonely. But I realize that sometimes that's the best time when you really get to know who you are and how you appreciate everything that you have. So now I have my food and the great soil and my animals and the fresh air, the spring water, the sun, and that is what makes me the happiest. So I just wanted to share that with some of the people that are new subscribers, and just to give you an idea of where I'm coming from and what I do. And hopefully you're having a great day and following your dreams and being true to yourself. And